Truly is, I swear. My name is Nautical Kid. I'll be aboard the crew too as well. Excellent. My name is Nautical Kid. I'll be your guide on our brief but meaningful adventure together today. Let me know if I can answer any questions on the menus. You got some grub on the one side with the non-alcoholics and all the good stuff. Beers, wines, and sipping rubs on the reverse. I do see we have a gluten and a fish and shellfish allergy friendly request, sir, of course. Are you having food today?
So what we're going to do is we're all going to raise our glasses. I'm going to say drink up the hearties and you're going to say yo-ho. Do we get that? Aye. Drink up the hearties. Yo-ho. Kate. This one's got staples in it.
Shiver my timbers. Where's that heavenly sound coming from? Oh no. My lovely sizzling whiskers. Crew, sound the alarm. Mermaids. Little mermaids. All hands, shield your ears. Let this blasted siren song.
We got mermaids. Cover your ears right now. At least one of them. I just saved your lives. I have been told that if you don't cover your ears, you get stuck in a gift shop for 5 days with a declined credit card. Crazy.
Now our water might be a bit salty here. I apologize in advance.
All hands to stations! Repeat after me, crew! Shut down the hatches! Hand down the hatches! Set the mainsail! Secure the cargo! And most importantly, hold on! My purpose is to exploit them!